Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really good, really well. This is Manisha Jha, your teacher, and do you know about social science? In social science we study many things. Social science में हम कई सारी चीज़ों के बारे में जानते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, जैसे हमारे सराउंडिंग्स के बारे में, हमारे फूड के बारे में, हमारे कल्चर के बारे में एंड मैनी मोर थिंग. सोशल साइंस हमें हमारे एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में, हमारे सराउंडिंग्स के बारे में भी बताता है. तो चलिए इसे अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं और स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की पहली क्लास. बच्चों, चैप्टर है सेफ्टी ऑन द रोड. Get set go. Safety must be our biggest priority. We should not be careless when we are on the road. Let us know more about safety. बच्चों, जब हम रोड पर होते हैं तो हमें ज़्यादा केयरफुल होना चाहिए, कभी भी केयरलेस नहीं होना चाहिए. क्या क्या सेफ्टी रूल्स होते हैं इस चैप्टर में हम जानेंगे. चैप्टर एट अ ग्लांस. सेफ्टी रूल्स while walking on the road, rules while waiting for a bus, rules when in a vehicle. Accidents often occur because of our careless behavior. Some people don't understand the importance of traffic rules and it leads to accidents. Let us learn the rules that we must obey on road. बच्चों, accidents हमारे careless behavior की वजह से होता है. जब हम रोड पर careless होते हैं, careful नहीं होते हैं. क्या क्या safety rules होते हैं, चलिए जान लेते हैं. When you walk on the road, people moving on the road on foot are called pedestrians. The rules for pedestrians are given below. The footpath is made for us to walk on and we must use it properly. For if the road does not have a footpath, you can walk on the side of the road. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. You should look right and then left, then right again. All cross only when the road is clear. There are traffic lights for vehicles as well as pedestrians in big cities for crossing the road safely. Cross the roads when the traffic light for pedestrian is green. We should not run or play on the road. It may cause an accident. When you wait for a bus. When you are waiting for the bus, you must stand in a queue, wait for your turn and get inside the bus one by one. Get in the bus only when it stops. Do not get into or get off a moving bus. You may trip and fall. When you are in a vehicle. When you are in a moving bus, do not wave your hand out of the bus or put your head out. जब भी आप एक moving bus में हो, ना अपना सर ना अपना हाथ बाहर निकालें. Always follow traffic lights. हमेशा traffic lights को follow करें. Use seat belts while moving in a car. Wear a helmet while moving on a bike or scooter. Check your understanding, fill in the blanks. Accident occurs because of our careless behavior. We must obey traffic rules. We must wait in a queue while we are waiting for the bus. Brainly bits. Traffic rules may change from one country to another. Traffic rules अलग अलग countries में अलग अलग होते हैं. Know these words: pedestrian, a person walking on foot; zebra crossing, black and white stripes on the road used to cross the road; traffic light, a set of automatically operated colored lights, typically red, yellow and green; queue, a line of people awaiting their turn; seat belt, a belt used to secure in the seat of a car or plane; helmet, a hard hat that protects the head. In a nutshell, road accidents occur when we are careless or do not follow traffic rules. We should always walk on the footpath. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should always follow the traffic rules. We should stand in a queue while waiting for a bus. We should use a seat belt or helmet while moving in a vehicle. Exercise पर आ जाते हैं. Tick the correct answer. People moving on the road on footpath are called pedestrians. We should cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should not wave out our hand when the bus is moving. We should use a helmet while riding a bike. Fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the box. Accident occur when we are careless. You should not play on the road. Cross the road only when the road is clear. Use seat belts while moving in a car. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। बच्चों यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, चैप्टर की मदद से इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। Think beyond HOTS. A person sitting in the front seat needed to fasten the seat belt. Why? Parking on road causes traffic jams. Why do you think we should do? Stop this. Why are all motorists expected to give way to an ambulance following them? इसकी प्रैक्टिस चैप्टर की मदद से आप खुद से कीजिएगा। Students, I hope you have understood each and everything अब आप इस चैप्टर की और इसकी एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद से करते रहिएगा ताकि आप इसे हमेशा याद रखें और इसे कभी न भूलें।